The signs and the stars say the old world is going, as sure as a lagan glides down through the trees. The red silent sun behind Knocker is glowing, firing Black Mountain and staining the sea. My name is Brian Ervine, and I'm the Shanachie, the guide for the Con O'Neill tour of East Belfast. Con O'Neill was the last Gaelic lord of Clan Bui, the clan of the yellow-haired Hugh, and Clanley Boy. That's where the term Clanley Boy comes from. Now, see behind the pavilion there, we've found a lane that marks that travels or reaches to that copse of trees, and that's where we believe the inauguration mound of the O'Neills was. And what happened there? He would have processed with on a horse with all his finery, and followed by all the people who rented stuff from him, anybody came along, the abbots and the churchmen and the other lords would have processed behind him, went to the mount of inauguration, where he was stripped of everything down to his vest, and then he sat on an inauguration stone, which can still be seen in the Ulster Museum. But this was the side of the castle here. See the ground here, just as far as the greenery. This was the castle here. And it looked down. Wasn't it wonderful, a place for a castle? All gone now, all done now. All the stones have been broken. All gone now, all done now. Old Con has gone away. Old Con has gone away.